Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous lemons greeting card, where I will show you how to make these paper quilled 3D lemons along with the little flowers, the beautiful hand painted background, and the sentiment is written here, stay bright. So you can gift it to anyone for any occasion like birthdays, anniversaries, or for any other special occasions, and you can write the special message inside the card. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. I'm starting with making the bigger lemon. For this I am taking here 5 strips of yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. So tight coil is ready. Now taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Then filling the dome using glue and spread it nicely with brush. And after that I am just pinching it from both the sides to give it lemon look. Then take any flat tweezer and just pinch it on both the corners, which will give you more real lemon effect or the lemon shape. Like this. And then to give little shaded effect, here I am taking my yellow color marker and making small dots on both the ends or on both the corners. It will give little depth in the corners, and the bright portion I am covering with white color marker. And this is done. So the beautiful lemon is completely ready. With the same method I have prepared one more big size lemon. We need total 2 medium size lemon which are made using 3 strips and 3 small size lemons which are made using 2 strips. So this is done. Now to create leaves, here I am taking half strip of dark green color in 3 mm and making one simple leaf shape. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared some more leaves using half strips in light green and dark green color, and some leaves are made using 1/4 strips in light green and dark green color. Then to create stems, here I am taking half strip of dark green color, folding it from center, add glue and stick both the layers together. Again fold it from center and cut it like this and connect both the layers together so that you will have thick stem. And with the same method I have prepared different sizes of stems. Then to make small flower of the lemon tree, here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 2 mm and making one teardrop shape. Joining 5 petals together and making a flower. Like this. Similarly, we need total 4 flowers. Now I am taking white color cardstock which is 19.5 by 9.5 centimeters, just putting it diagonally like this on the surface, and here I am showing you how to create our own striped background. So here I am taking paper tape and connecting it on the base by leaving little gap randomly so that we will have the space to paint the vertical strips. This is nicely attached. Now here I have mixed little bit of blue, green and lots of white to create this beautiful teal color, and I am just completing the coloring work by applying using flat brush and filling the gaps. Now after drying the paint, I am removing the tape slowly, and it is very satisfying process. When you remove the tapes, it prints the beautiful and crisp lines of the paint. And our beautiful striped background is completely ready. Now here I am taking 20 by 20 centimeters white color cardstock base, which is 300 GSM in thickness. I have folded it into half. Then on top of this I am adding 9.5 by 19.5 centimeters yellow color cardstock. And then on top of this I am adding my striped background. So the card base is ready. Now it's time to assemble everything. So I'm starting with connecting the stems first. Like this, and then it's time to attach all the lemons. Then I am adding the leaves. And after that I am connecting the flowers. Here I am extending the lemon part little more by adding one more lemon, which is made using 4 strips with the same method, and it will give the complete look of the card. Adding 2 leaves also here. And the card is ready. Now I am adding some small size half cut pearls here and there. These are 3 mm half cut pearls. And then it's time to attach the sentiments. So I am connecting here letters which says stay bright, and this is the alphabet die by Dress My Craft. So I have cut all the dies in yellow color cardstock, added 4 layers to create one single alphabet to give dimension, and one by one I am connecting it like this. And this is done. Then on both the ends I am connecting 2 small leaves, the corner of the sentiments. Like this, and the beautiful and very gorgeous lemon greeting card is completely ready. This is very trendy nowadays, and you can write a special message to your loved ones. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.